What's up everyone? Today we have this, is the Intel Core i9-10900K CPU. So it's a Intel 3 GHz turbo. There it is, you see the little CPU there. Well, you read the title, we're unboxing this. So I know this is a genuine product because, well, I literally cut through the seal. So check for that, as I saw some comments saying it could not, sometimes it's not a genuine product. So there's the seal. Odd because most of these things are made in China, but that's something interesting. Alright, pull on that, and wow, the box is very nice. There's the processor and some more documentation. Oh wow, that's the sticker for it. It looks different from the other Intel stickers. And this is what we're all here for. The Intel Core i9. 10 cores, 20 threads, up to 3.7 GHz, turbo to 5.3. So let's put that actually here. I don't want to drop it anywhere. So. And we'll put the box aside. Put the documentation, so I'm actually keeping the box. It looks very nice. Now I'm just going to give a quick guide on how to install it in a motherboard. So here is an example of a motherboard. This one's the Asus ROG Strix Z490E Gaming. So to start, push down on this lever on the socket, pull up, and then pull the rest of it aside. Now you take your CPU, wait, where's that little gold triangle? Right. As you see, there's a little gold triangle on that end of the CPU. It might not look that good on my camera, but there is also a little dot over there. So I'm assuming that is a replacement for the triangle that they normally have. And there's, oh right. You see that? There's a little triangle on that socket cover. So just line up with the triangle on your motherboard. Also, never touch the CPU on the bottom or on top, and do not bend any pins. So what I like to do is just to give it a little wiggle, don't press it, and then lower that back. Also push down, and that socket cover should pop off. And it just did. So save this, as you should always save this socket cover, because when you RMA your board, that means like whatever warranty or returns, they won't accept it without this. That's what I heard, at least. So keep that, put it in the box somewhere, or somewhere safe. So there it is. That is how you install a Intel CPU, well, at least the LGA 1200 ones, into a motherboard, and more specifically an unboxing of the Intel Core i9-10900K. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.